Hello students, in my previous lecture, means yesterday, I had taught you how to write the news. I had given some points and with the help of such points, I, I had told you how to write the news. Now in this lecture, I have taken one sample of news and I have written the news. It will be useful for your study. The title of news is Chase by Leopard, Deer crashes through roof in Mumbai Zoo. By the title of news itself, we understand three things. What we understand by title? That there are chase. Who are chasing? Leopard are chasing. Who was being chased? Deer. So leopard was running after deer, and you can understand why leopard runs for after deer. The second, deer crashes through. The deer fell down, broke the roof of the house, and the deer fell down. Where it happened? In Mumbai. Slum means those people who cannot live very middle class life or high middle class, those people who are poor and they are live very crowded. Slum means Jhopatpatti. Now students, we have completed the title of news because news title is given in your question paper. With the help of this title, you have to make the news, or you have to prepare the news. So while writing the news title, I have tried to write the middle of the page. This is the margin, and that is the end of page. Middle of the page, I have tried to write the title, and then each letter of the title, words, each letter I have written in capital. Chess C capital, leopard L capital, deer D capital, crashes C capital, through T capital, roof R capital, Mumbai F capital, slum S capital. These things are here. Now we have completed the title. Also, if you want, you can write this news title in small letters, but at least beginning word, starting word, first letter should be capital. Then second comes, this is the title, second comes date line. In date line, I have written the place name, Mumbai. It happened in Mumbai. So Mumbai M capital. Which was the month? May. What was the date? 10. Then there are two dots. Because I am not making here another paragraph. I have given here two dots. And then after dot, I have started the introductory paragraph. या डॉटच्या लगेच नंतर मी इंट्रोडक्टरी पॅराग्राफ सुरू केला. What is the introductory paragraph? While escaping the chase of leopard, a deer fell down on the roof and again fell through the roof by crashing it. Here, by these two lines or by one line, we understand what happened. We understand that a leopard was chasing deer, and to save from leopard, deer fell on the roof. As the deer was running, deer fell on the roof. Roof means chat, घराचं छत. And because of his big fall, the roof was broken, and deer fell again down on the floor of the house. Deer fell down in the room. Till here we understood these things. This thing we understood here. Now, in this line we understood what happened. Then, next, the incident happened early Sunday morning. It means when it happened. When it happened? Early Sunday morning. Where it happened? At the Hanuman Tekri slum near IIT Bombay campus. Because the slum area has also name, and the name of slum area is Hanuman Tikri. The incident happened here at Hanuman Tikri. Where is Hanuman Tikri? It is near IIT Bombay campus. It means in this introductory paragraph, I have answered the three questions. Means what happened, what is the matter, when it happened, and third, where it happened. These three questions I have given here, or I have answered an introductory paragraph complete. Now see that next paragraph is called lead paragraph, means news in detail. What is the next? The chase of deer by the leopard might have started in the neighboring. Sorry, here was started. Might have started in the neighboring hillocks. Hillocks means टेकड्याची रांग. टेकड्याच्या रांगेमध्ये हा पाठलाग उदाहरणाचा लेपर्डद्वारे पाठलाग सुरू झाला असता. To save his life, the deer jumped over the roof, which was immediately broken and fell down in the kitchen room. And the deer fell down in the kitchen room, where members of the house were deep in sleep. अशा ठिकाणी ते पडलं, अशा रूममध्ये पडलं, जे किचन रूम होती पण त्या फॅमिलीचे मेंबर तिथे झोपलेले होते आणि त्या ठिकाणी पडलं. पुढे काय झालं? सविता सिंग, द ओनर ऑफ द हाऊस, सेड. जसं मी म्हटलं की मत घेतलं जातं, आय विटनेस वगैरे त्यांचे मत घेतलं जातं. तसं सविता सिंग कोण आहे? त्या घराची मालकी. ती काय म्हटली? नथिंग इज ब्रोकन व्हेन द लार्ज डियर फेल डाऊन. ते काहीच तुटलं नाही किचन मधलं जेव्हा ते डियर पडलं. ते पातेलं तळी वगैरे काय असेल ते गॅस शेगडी वगैरे काहीही तुटलेलं नाही. सम फॅमिली मेंबर्स वेआर स्लीपिंग देअर बट नोबडी हर्ट, मीन्स नोबडी वॉज इंजर्ड. A neighbor called wildlife warden Pawan Sharma. Who is Pawan Sharma? Pawan Sharma is wildlife warden. A neighbor called wildlife warden Pawan Sharma, who came with 7-member rescue operation. Pawan Sharma came with the rescue team. How many members are there in rescue operation? 7 members are there. The deer appeared shocked, but was calm when the room was crowded by the neighbors. When deer was fallen down and when the deer was there in the room, all the neighboring people they came and they made crowd in the room. But that time deer was shocked, but it was calm and peaceful. After checking any physical injuries which was not found, the deer was shifted to Sanjay Gandhi National Park. Then the rescue team came there, they checked whether the deer is injured. When they found that deer is not injured, then they sent that deer to Sanjay Gandhi National Park. And this was the incident. So student, you must have observed here, we have written first title, then we have written deadline, see carefully, then introductory paragraph. I have given the answer of 3, what happened, where happened, and when happened, and then some detailed news, what happened in detail. आणखी थोडं जास्त त्याबद्दल लिहिलं, त्याबद्दल जास्त सांगितलं. आणि ती घराची मालकी ती काय म्हटली किंवा तो पवन शर्मा जो आहे वार्डन त्याचं मग तुम्ही लिहू शकता. आणखी कोणी फॉरेस्ट ऑफिसर असेल त्याचं तुम्ही लिहू शकता मत वगैरे. आणि नंतर तर एंड काय झालं, शेवटी त्या हरणाचं केलं काय, तर ते पाठवलं कुठं? संजय गांधी नॅशनल पार्क. आता प्रत्येक वेळी जर तुम्ही कधी न्यूजपेपरमध्ये वाचलेच नसतं, कधी कधी तुम्हाला ती कल्पनाही करावी लागते. न्यूज जी असते ती तुम्ही टायटल वाचून कल्पना करू शकता. ॲक्च्युली ही जी न्यूज आहे ती सकाळ टाइम्समध्ये आलेली आणि मी तुम्हाला थोडक्यात करून दिली. सकाळ टाइम्समध्ये वैयक्तिक आणखी डिटेलमध्ये आहे, पण आपल्याला जे काही त्यांनी नियम लावून दिले बोर्डाने, त्या नियमामध्ये मी ती बसवली आणि त्या पद्धतीने मी तुम्हाला ती सांगितली, त्या पद्धतीने ती लिहून दिली मी तुम्हाला. थोडक्यात काय, टायटल जेव्हा आपण पाहतो, बाय रिडिंग द टायटल वी कॅन अंडरस्टँड We can imagine what can happen there. We can imagine the situation, and that is why then we can create that situation. And according to the situation, according to that situation, we can write. We can create the news. We can make the news. We can prepare the news. So, student, this is how you have to prepare the news. Of course, there is another thing that is option for news, but you must be ready for writing news also, because it is also very important. Because news is also for 5 marks. While writing news, you have to be very careful about the margin, etc. Because in your answer paper, you will have that margin, or you will make margin. This is the margin, and be sure that this deadline, this name of place, I have written very close to the margin. Then there is a comma, then month, it is also first letter capital, then date in figure, and then there are 2 dots. Remember, I did not give here any paragraph. I am not making any new paragraph. I have continued from deadline, date, 2 dots, then with capital, I have started the news. Until here, it is called introductory paragraph. And then remaining some 5 to 6 lines are there. The remaining is called lead paragraph. And this is how we have finished this news. Then while watching this video, you must see it carefully, and again you once again copy whatever I have written on the board. You copy in your notebook, and once again read it and observe whether I have followed all rules or not. What changes you find, etc. So, student, this was the news I have written on the board. Previously, I had written some points, and I had helped you to understand how to write. And this is the direct. I hope that you have understood. So, in next video, we will learn something next new. Till then, have a nice day. Goodbye.